Hey there, future chartered accountants. Welcome back to the channel. If you're gearing up for the CA exams, you know how tough the journey can be. But don't worry, today, I'm going to share some essential tips and strategies to help you prepare effectively, boost your confidence, and ace the exam. So, whether you're just starting out or revising for the big day, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the tips, let's first understand what the CA exam is all about. The Chartered Accountant exam is one of the most respected qualifications in India. It's your gateway to a career in accounting, taxation, auditing, and finance. The exam is divided into 3 levels: CPT, IPCC, and the final exam. CPT is the entry-level exam, covering basics like accounting and business laws. IPCC dives deeper into subjects like taxation, auditing, and financial management. The final exam is where you showcase your expertise in advanced accounting, auditing, and law. But here's the thing, the CA exam has a reputation for being tough. And while it can be challenging, it's not impossible to pass. With the right approach, you can conquer each level and set yourself up for a successful career. Now, let's talk about studying smart, not hard. A solid study plan is the key to your success. So, here's how you can craft one. Time management is crucial for CA prep. Here are a few tips to stay on track. Create a daily timetable and stick to it. Make sure to balance theory subjects with practical ones. Follow the 50-10 rule, study for 50 minutes, take a 10-minute break. It'll keep your mind fresh and productive. Avoid procrastination, set small, achievable goals for each study session, and stay disciplined. Now, not all topics are equal. Some topics are more important than others, so prioritize accordingly. Focus on the high-weightage topics. Subjects like taxation and accounting standards are key areas to focus on, as they carry significant marks. Don't burn out. Incorporate breaks into your study routine, and after every week of study, self-assess your progress. This will help you identify areas that need more attention. Now, let's talk about how to learn efficiently. It's not just about reading books, it's about engaging with the material. Active reading means engaging with the material. Here's how you do it. Highlight important sections while reading, and make sure to summarize what you've read in your own words. Summarize chapters and make notes, so you can revise faster when the exam approaches. Memory aids like mnemonics can help you remember complex formulas and concepts. For example, you could create an acronym to remember tax rates or important formulas. Mind maps are also a great tool to connect different concepts, like how accounting principles relate to tax laws. One of the best ways to solidify your understanding is through practice. Solve past papers to get familiar with the exam pattern and improve your time management. As the exam day approaches, confidence becomes key. Here's how you can stay calm and focused. First off, let's talk about exam stress. Everyone gets anxious before exams, but it's important to manage it effectively. Get a good night's sleep before the exam. Last-minute cramming only adds to the stress. Practice deep breathing or meditation to calm your nerves and help you stay focused. Believe in yourself. Stay positive and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Visualize success. Imagine yourself acing the exam and becoming a CA. This will keep you motivated and on track. During the exam, keep your focus sharp. Read the questions carefully before answering. Don't rush into it. Tackle the easier questions first to build confidence, then move on to the tougher ones. Once you've cleared your exams, it's time to think about the next step in your career. The CA profession offers so many opportunities. Networking is crucial in any profession. Attend events, join professional organizations, and connect with senior CAs to learn about their experiences. As a CA, you can explore careers in fields like audit, corporate finance, tax consultancy, financial reporting, and even forensic accounting. Remember, learning never stops. Stay updated with the latest accounting standards and regulations. Keep taking courses, certifications, and attend workshops to stay ahead in the industry. To sum up, preparing for the CA exam takes hard work, dedication, and a smart strategy. With the right study plan, consistent practice, and a positive mindset, you can not only pass the exam but excel in your career as a chartered accountant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more study tips and career advice. Best of luck with your CA exams, and I'm sure you'll do great. Thanks for watching.